Hello friends, welcome to the online sessions of Renewable Energy Engineering. Myself Praveen Jinjala from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, we will discuss about the wave energy. Means it is the source of ocean energy or it is the renewable energy source. So by utilization of wave energy, we can also convert it into electricity by utilizations of different wave energy converter device. So let's start our session. First of all, we discuss about what is wave energy. Wave it is created due to the wind flow rate. Means differential warming of earth cause pressure difference in atmosphere which generate the wind. Means wind created due to the density difference and density difference created due to the temperature difference and temperature from solar radiation. So due to the temperature difference, there will be created the density difference, and due to the density difference, we are getting the wind. And as a wind moves across the surface of the body of the water, they transport some their energy to the water and creates the waves. So due to the high wind flow rate over the surface of ocean, we are getting the waves, and that's where we can also generate the energy by utilization of wave. And wave intensity is higher compared to the wind wave. So we can also utilize the basic kinds of wind system. There are the basically three types of wind system, wave energy system used. First one is offshore. Means offshore we can also place the different device. This is our ocean, this is the ocean floor, and this is the seashore. So we can also place the different submerged offshore device. So we can also convert this energy into electricity. This mechanism is like the similar our wind turbine blade or one type of wind turbine. And this is also one type of floating device. So by offshore, we can install the different device and we can convert the wave energy into the electricity. Second one is near shore or maximum wave amplitude. So by near shore, we can also install the different floating device and we can also convert this wave into electricity or device bottom of standing. So this is the different construction. Third kind of system is embedded device, means built in shoreline to receive the breaking waves. Means it is the near to the seashore device or shoreline device. So by utilization of shoreline device, we can convert the wave energy into the mechanical energy and mechanical energy into the electricity or electrical energy. So it is one type of energy. So by placing the different wave energy convert device at a different place and we can generate the electricity. Next is wave energy conversion device. They are the basically three device or three types of device used for conversions of wave energy into the mechanical energy or wave energy into the electrical energy. First one is wave profile device. Means they turn the oscillating height of the ocean surface into mechanical energy. Means it is the converting fluctuation of wave height into the mechanical energy. Second one is oscillating water column. Means they convert the energy of wave into pressure energy, or we can also convert into the pressurized air, and we can also utilize the pressure air into air to conversions into electricity. Third one is wave capture device. Means they convert energy of wave into potential energy. So by utilization of wave capture device, we can generate electricity by potential energy. Now we will discuss about the wave energy conversion device. Means device used for conversions of wave energy into electricity. First device is float type wave energy conversion. Means this is the diagram of float type wave energy converter. This is the floater. Means it is the one type of fiber construction. We have to also calculate the buoyant force and gravitational force. And we can also balance both force and float our device. After the floating device, we can also install the one pump and generator, and we can also fix by any location. Means submerge the heavy belted plates and mooring lines. So due to the waves energy, this our buoy or float will be continuously float. It will be float top and bottom. Means we are getting the reciprocating motion. So this reciprocating motion we can convert into electricity. Second is also one type of buoy or heavy or lighter buoy. So by utilization of floating type device, we can convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Or we can also place the line absorber or hydraulic ram joint. So due to the continuously waves, it will be change its bend angle, straight and back side or forward and back side. So by utilization of this energy, we can also convert into electricity. Same is like our pump, as like in radial types of pump. So by the same mechanism in hydraulic radial type of pump, we can convert the energy into the electricity. So it's called floating type wave energy converter. And this is also one type of animations of floating type converter. Due to the continuously floating or due to the continuously waves, floater will be continuously move from top and bottom. And by utilization of this system, we can also generate electricity. Or we can also store the air at a higher pressure. Or we can also pump the water to the height and we can convert it into electricity or specific application. Second device is dolphin type wave energy converter. This is the basic structure of dolphin type wave energy converter. Means this is our structure in ocean. Due to the waves, it will be continuously float. So we have to also provide the one type of floater. So it can be continuously float. And it will be connected by connecting rod to the generator or wave energy absorber generator. So due to the waves, our floater will be two motion. First of all, circular, and second will be linear in top and bottom. So we are getting the two types of motion. Here we are getting the rotary motion. Due to the floater, it will be float in angular. Second, due to the floater will be also move top and bottom. So we are getting the rotary motion at a top of tower or dolphin. So it's called rotary motion. So by utilization of dolphin type wave energy converter, we can generate the dual energy. Means we have to provide the two generators, one at the top of dolphin and second at the top of floater. So this type of mechanism also available in market for electricity generation. And it is the simple structure. Simply we can install and we can utilize this energy. So this is the huge source of energy. You can also generate a huge amount of electricity because our Indian region is, we are getting the maximum ocean. And in special Gujarat, we are getting the 1600 kilometer seashore. So by installing the different wave energy converter, we can generate electricity. Next is oscillating water column type wave energy converter device. Means due to the waves, oscillating column we can also utilize for compress the air. During the high wave, it will be passed to this mechanism and water will be rise. Means air here it will be compressed. This is the basic component of oscillating water column. That means chamber wall, air column, wind turbine, generator and air flow rate. So during the waves, here the water level will be rise, means it will be compress the air in our air column, and air will be passed to our wind turbine, and turbine will be rotate, and it will be generate electricity. In second position, air will be reverse flow. So by improving this device, we can also generate the electricity in both direction, or we can also install the different mechanism for power generation. This is also one type of animation. Due to the high water level, it will be compress the air, and during the reverse flow, we can also provide the reverse air turbine or wind turbine, and we can generate the electricity. So this is the basic mechanism of wave energy conversion device. Next is advantages of ocean energy. It is the available 24/7 on 365 day, means it is the constantly available. Therefore the power produced from them is much steady and more predictable, because we are getting the continuously different wave, and we can also utilize that wave for power generation. Wave can be accurately predicted 48 hours in advance. So that is the main advantages of wave energy compared to the other sources. And therefore forecast energy output is higher, means BTU irregularity in wave amplitude and direction. So by utilization of wave energy, we can generate the large amount of electricity. Good data on waves from the wave monitoring buoys, means we can also predict the data. Wave energy contain 1,000 times the kinetic energy of wind, means compared to the wind energy, we can generate the large electricity from the wave energy, means it can be produced the same amount of power in less space compared to the wind turbine. So this was the about wave energy. What is a wave energy? Basic component of wave energy. How to convert wave energy into electricity or wave energy conversion device, and advantages. Thank you.